Jennifer was an 18-year-old girl who lived in a quiet town with her parents and her cat, Luna. She loved reading, writing short stories, and spending calm evenings at home. Her best friend, Maya, lived next door. On Saturdays, they always had hot chocolate and talked for hours. Every Sunday, Jennifer visited her grandmother, Grandma Rose. Grandma Rose was sweet, clever, and made the best chocolate cake in the world. One Friday morning, Jennifer's parents said, "Jen, we have to travel for work. You'll stay home this weekend. Just 2 nights." Jennifer smiled. "Okay, I'll be fine." She planned to read, eat snacks, and maybe invite Maya over. But that night, she heard something strange. A soft thump-thump from the attic. When she went to check, she found an old, silver key on the floor. It looked very old and magical. Jennifer held the key and looked at the attic door. She felt a chill. "Nope, I'm not going up there," she said. Instead, she texted Maya. "Weird noises in the attic. Found a creepy key. Wanna come over tomorrow?" Maya replied, "OMG, yes. I'll bring snacks." Before sleeping, Jennifer called Grandma Rose. "Grandma, I found a strange key in the attic. Do you know anything about it?" Her grandma was silent for a moment. Then she said, "That room belonged to your great-grandfather. He was a storyteller, and he hid something very special there." "What did he hide?" Jennifer asked. Her grandma smiled softly. "Only the brave can find it." The next day, Maya arrived in the afternoon. Grandma Rose came by too, with a fresh chocolate cake for the girls. "You two enjoy this," she said, giving Jennifer a knowing look. Later that evening, Maya and Jennifer stood in front of the attic. "You sure about this?" Maya asked. Jennifer nodded. She opened the door. It creaked loudly. Inside, the air was dusty and cold. Old books, boxes, and papers covered the room. They had entered a new world. For hours, the girls searched the attic. They found strange puzzles, locked drawers, and mysterious poems. Luna, the cat, followed them like a curious shadow. Suddenly, the lights flickered. A cold wind passed. Jennifer jumped. "Did you feel that?" "Yep," said Maya. "Creepy but kinda cool." They found a locked box with a riddle written on it. Later that night, Jennifer couldn't sleep. She read the riddle again and again. Then she saw it, a poem hidden inside an old book. It was a code. Her heart beat faster. "This is it," she whispered. She returned to the attic alone. Her hands shook as she entered the code into the box. The room felt cold again. Silent. Still. Click. The box opened. Inside was a leather notebook, old but beautiful. It was her great-grandfather's writing journal. Page after page, it was filled with short stories, poems, and drawings. On the first page, it said, "To the one who finds this, you are a storyteller too. Let your words live." Jennifer felt a spark inside her. She smiled. "I am a storyteller." The next morning, Jennifer and Maya had breakfast with Grandma Rose. "I had the weirdest dream," Maya said. Jennifer looked at her grandma, who winked, quietly keeping the secret. Jennifer whispered, "Thank you." And Grandma Rose just nodded, smiling. When her parents returned on Sunday, they asked, "How was the weekend?" Jennifer smiled. Quiet but magical. She wasn't the same girl anymore. She had faced fear, solved mysteries, and discovered her passion. That night, Jennifer sat at her desk with the old notebook. She began to write her own story, not just for fun, but because it felt like her destiny. And Grandma Rose? She kept Jennifer's secret, because every hero needs a wise old guardian and a good chocolate cake. Did you enjoy Jennifer's story? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English stories. Want to practice? Write in the comments. What would you do if you found a mysterious key in your house? Let's practice English together.